Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways.
However, numerous monetary standards have attacked the much sought-after crypto market. The most talked-of and high-positioned are Zilliqa, ZIL, which is an ERC20 token. This was the appearance of the year 2017 when the chief executive officer of Zilliqa, Mr. Zilliqa, and his group thought of this splendid thought of sending off this resource. His thought was upheld by his committed group of advisors and blockchain calculation specialists who rejuvenated this Zilliqa crypto. Allow us to examine the ongoing subtleties of Zilliqa and comprehend the Zilliqa cost expectation for what's in store. Zilliqa, the lesser-known facts. Zilliqa Network is a blockchain network that began in Singapore and was established by Pratik Saxena, Amrit Kumar, Max Cantilia. It embraced the Ethereum blockchain prior to starting its own and is home to many decentralized applications. As a guileless participant in the venture market around 2018, not very many individuals knew about Zilcash and were a little uncertain about exchanging Zil crypto. A significant benefit of the Zilliqa coin is that you can execute raids as the blockchain network extends, adding to a sensational expansion in the quantity of diggers. Zilliqa is the first of its sort of open blockchain worked with sharding innovation. It runs a programming language called Scala and carries out down-to-earth Byzantine fault tolerance. It can take care of the current issue of adaptability involving its sharding technique as dynamic scaling arrangement. Zilliqa can address endeavor issues as it can deal with a huge volume of exchanges. Upheld by a powerful and high transmission capacity public blockchain stage, the issue Zil has tended to are the openness issues, setting up a half-breed agreement instrument. For this situation, hub activity is totally dependent on the proof of work, POS, hash. An exceptional component of Zilliqa is that it can trap false or deceptive exchanges by peers wherein an affirmed block is fit for following the first block. Zilliqa depends on cryptographic strategies that are dependent on zero exposure proof and numerical consistency of the whole blockchain-empowered exchange, which is cross-checked without uncovering any information or message on the other party associated with the exchange. The security impediments are captured first. The credit goes to the improvement of zero convention by Zilliqa, which is the standard of the whole decentralized finance environment, which is one more send-off and offing. Examination of Zil's historical price movement. The cost journey has been created with shocks combined with exciting bends in the road. The ongoing cost of Zilliqa, ZIL, is at $0.058, and it exchanges under a downtrend. The market capitalization of Zilliqa is $719,545,402 with $12,289,142,698 ZIL being current flowing inventory. Zilliqa cost today is devalued by 20.2% to the cost with which it has entered the year 2022. The last day, i.e., 24-hour cost change, has a by and large story to describe. Our verdict on Zilliqa coin price prediction. The value forecasts of different specialists don't deflect Zilliqa, ZIL, from beating the opponents using any and all means. The Zilliqa people group has set higher benchmarks for itself in any case. Zil's portion in the crypto world will outperform the assumptions for all financial backers who have found this stage very intuitive and simple. One more significant send-off of Zilliqa's symbolic trade is set to disclose soon, which would be supported by huge numbers of trades. It wouldn't be a misrepresentation to find that Zilliqa has scaled a pinnacle of $0.0361. However, the equivalent can't be known as an extremely exaggerated and light reach. Zilliqa price prediction 2022 to 2026. Zilliqa conjecture and Zil cost forecast outline has really somersaulted somewhat recently, thoroughly changing the pattern from starting towards the year's end. The coin has had a noteworthy excursion over the past year. Zil coin's pattern has been very forceful, prompting an exceptionally hopeful way. The coin might fill quickly, particularly for unions. New partnerships and improvement would carry Zilliqa to the spotlight, making it the middle stage for speculations and a socially regarded digital currency. Simultaneously, more exchanges will be executed as time passes, which might demonstrate an extreme test for crypto rivals. In light of 1 year verifiable information and market cap improvement, There is even a Zilliqa estimate that the money might think of its own blockchain stage changing itself from Ethereum-based getting enrolled in the significant digital currency trades of the world soon. As indicated by the last year's cost energy and from the outset of this current year, Zilliqa could offer a buy to all negative and cynical patterns, and it could mean the beginning of a period of expectations and commitments loaded with good faith. The coin entered 2020 in the wake of experiencing a negative cycle with a cost $0.004. Later Zilliqa has denoted another unsurpassed high in the long stretch of May 6th 2021 at 25 cents. From that point forward, the ZIL coin checked moderate development till the finish of the last year. According to Zilliqa cost expectation, the coin has stamped significant revision starting from the start of this current year, and it could record minimal recuperation in spite of transitory cost declines. From our transient specialized investigation following are the opposition level and backing levels of ZIL. Resistance level 1, $0.06092. Resistance level 2, $0.0625. Resistance level 3, $0.06386. Support level 1, $0.05798. Support level 2, $0.05662. Support level 3, $0.05504. Zilliqa price prediction 2022. The Zilliqa cost is anticipated to exchange above 8 cents in the year 2022. The normal high of Zilliqa cost is $0.086 while the low is $0.073. The Zilliqa (ZIL) cost expectation for the year's end is around $0.082. Zilliqa price prediction 2023. The cost of Zilliqa is anticipated to exchange around $0.095 in the year 2023. The normal high of ZIL cost is 10 cents, while the low is $0.085. The Zilliqa cost gauge part for the year's end target is around the normal cost of $0.088. Zilliqa price prediction 2024. For the year 2024, the anticipated normal cost of ZIL could exchange around $0.099. The normal high of ZIL cost is 12 cents, while the low is around $0.087. For long-haul financial backers, Zilliqa will be a respectable wise venture road. Financial backers can acquire over 100% return in the following 2 to 3 years, assuming that they follow the famous way, purchase on plunges. Zilliqa price prediction 2025. In the realm of cryptographic forms of money, there could be estimates of wonders, there could be enchantment in the present moment.